Yesterday we discussed the regular spellings for the E sound. Today we're going to practice those spellings. Do you remember what the spelling response is for E? E.
E, comma,
E,
final
digraph,
E,
no,
Yes.
yes,
Y, comma, Y.
Very good. I'm proud of you. Let's talk about what those responses mean. Digraph EE is the regular spelling pattern for the E sound in all one-syllable words, whether the sound is in the initial, medial, or final position. In two-syllable words, when the E sound is in the initial or medial position, the sound is usually spelled with an E. When the E sound is in the final position of a two-syllable word, the sound is usually spelled with the vowel Y. Let's try some words and see which letters spell the E sound. Echo this word, fee.
Fee.
How many syllables are there in fee?
2,
Let's clap it. Fee.
1,
1. What is the regular spelling pattern for E in one-syllable words?
two.
What? What is the regular spelling pattern for the E sound in one-syllable words? What's the normal way we spell the E sound?
E.
E. Good. So, that one has a final E. Let's try another word. Echo this one. Dandy.
Dandy.
Where do you hear the E sound?
Last.
At the end. Good. Is this a one-syllable word?
2.
2 syllables. Good. So how do we spell the E sound when it's at the end of a two-syllable word?
We put consonant vowel.
How do we spell it, though?
Consonant vowel. V, C.
Oh, you're telling me how we code it, but how do we spell it?
The word?
How do we spell the E sound? Is it going to be
E.
E or Y or what?
E.
It's Y.
Yes.
It's a two-syllable word. We spell it with a Y at the end.
Dandy.
Echo this word. Eel.
Eel.
Where do you hear the E sound?
The end.
Eel.
Oh, in the middle.
At the beginning, right?
Beginning.
How many syllables are there in eel?
2.
2,
Eel.
Eel. 1. And
1. So how are we going to spell it?
2,
What do you think?
E.
I,
We're only using this.
Y,
Yeah. E.
E.
In one-syllable words, E is usually how we spell it.
Eel.
Echo this word. Eject.
Eject.
How many syllables do you hear?
1.
1,
Eject.
2.
2. Where do you hear the E sound? Eject.
End.
At the end?
At the first.
Eject. At the beginning. How do we spell the E sound in a two-syllable word, usually, if it's at the beginning?
I don't know.
With an E.
E. Just the E.
Eject.
Eject. Oh.
Okay. Echo this word. Tree.
Tree.
How many syllables we have?
1.
1. Where do you hear the E sound?
At the end.
at the
How are
end.
we going to spell it?
T-R-E-E.
E. Very good.
T-R-E-E.
Okay.
Tree.
What about this word? Echo this. 50.
50. 50.
How many
2.
syllables do you hear? 2.
D.
Where do you hear the E sound?
E.
Where do you hear the E sound?
At the end of the first
If
word.
At the end, and it's 2 syllables, so how am I going to spell the E sound?
If
2 E's.
No. Two syllables and the E is at the end. How do I spell it?
F-Y.
A Y.
Yay!
50.
F-Y.
Okay.
No.
Echo this word. Feet.
Feet.
How many syllables do you hear?
One.
One. Where do you hear the E sound?
F.
After the F.
Is that
In the middle.
In the middle. So how are we going to spell it?
F-E-E-T.
Very good.
F-E-E-T.
Feet.
Can we code them?
No, we don't need to code them.
Aww.
Sorry. How do... Let me... Echo this word. Elect.
Elect.
How many syllables?
Two.
Two. Good. Where do you hear the E sound?
In the middle.
Elect.
Elect. At the first.
At the beginning. How are we going to spell it?
E-E.
No.
E-E. What is it?
I just want to know how to spell the E sound in that word. Elect.
E-E. L.
No.
Y.
It's not going to be E-E.
Oh.
Just one E.
Y.
Elect.
Elect.
Okay?
Ow.
Echo this word. Free.
Furry.
Free.
Furry.
No, not furry. Free.
Free.
How many syllables? One syllable. Where do you hear the E sound?
At the end of the word.
How are we going to spell it? E-E or Y?
F.
E-E.
E-E.
How to say that?
Free. Okay? Echo this word. Dusty.
Dusty. Two.
Two syllables. Where do you hear the E sound?
At the end.
How am I going to spell it? E-E or Y?
E.
I've got two syllables. Look at the other words we have up here. If I have two syllables, how am I going to spell the E sound at the end?
What is it? What's the word?
Dusty.
In the middle. At the end.
It's at the end, but if I have two syllables, do I spell it with a Y
E-E.
or E-E?
E-E.
No, two syllables is a Y.
What? I'm confused.
If you have two syllables, thank you for telling me you're confused, that helps. If you have two syllables and the E sound is at the end, you spell it with a Y. If there's only one syllable, you spell it with E-E. See, look, fee, tree, free, dandy, 50, dusty. See, those are all Y's. Okay? Echo this word. Three.
Three.
How many syllables?
One.
Where do you hear the E sound?
At the end.
At the end.
Am I going to spell it with E-E or Y?
E-E.
E-E.
Good. Three. Feel.
At the end.
At the
Fill.
Feel.
Feel.
How many syllables?
Y.
Y.
How many
Two.
syllables? Feel.
Two.
What?
One syllable.
One.
So am I going to spell it with E-E or just E?
E-E.
E-E.
E-E. 'Cause that's, if we have one syllable, that's how we spell it.
F-E.
Feel.
Feel.
Okay?
Almost over.
Even.
Even.
How many syllables?
Two.
Two. Where do you hear the E sound?
Even.
In the middle.
Even.
Even.
At the first.
At the beginning. So am I going to spell it E-E
E.
or E?
E.
Good. Just E because there's two syllables.
No.
Got one more. Ready for the last one? Misty.
Two.
Two syllables. Where do you hear the E sound?
At the end.
At the
So am I
end.
going to use E-E or Y?
E-E.
I have two syllables. Y.
Na.
Misty.
Bum, bum, bum.
Very good.
Bum, bum,
All right,
bum.
we are going to practice spelling some words using the E sound on our worksheet today. So I will see you guys in just a minute to get that started.